Somewhere, a company is getting new uniforms made. Somewhere, soldiers are thinking of ways to raise the morale within their platoon. Somewhere, students are earning their place on the varsity team, and each of them needs patches. Luckily, when you need patches, we've got you covered. Whether you're looking for custom military patches, uniform patches, patches for your motorcycle club, or any other purpose you can think of, ordering from Signature Patches has never been easier. First, consider the size of your patch by measuring the area of patch placement. How will you attach your patch? If you decide to sew in place, you can order no backing, PVC backing, hook and loop, or a PVC rubber patch. All PVC rubber patches come with a recessed channel for you to sew along. Iron-on backing is needle-free, and you'll know your patch is iron-on if your backing is extra shiny. If your team needs a temporary placement, a peel and stick backing and safety pins are recommended. Once you have those details, send us your ideas for a design and watch as our team of highly trained artists bring your ideas to life. In under 48 hours, we'll have your first free proof of artwork delivered to you. If you needed to make any changes, and let's be honest, changes are inevitable, we offer an unlimited amount of revisions and up to 7 colors completely free of charge. Metallic, glow-in-the-dark, and neon threads are also available. Remember, you don't pay for anything until you're absolutely happy with the design. Couple that with our super fast turnaround time and shipping within the US, and you can see why we are the absolute best at what we do. Once you receive your patches, let us know how we did. If you're ready to make an impact on those closest to you, get started on your custom patch design today with the best patch maker on the market.